Hi everybody, I'm back. Here I show you how to record your string with the Xbox Xbox game bar. Um, I already showed you how to set the Xbox game bar up in the previous video. Now I show you how to record them. Um, you just press the window key and the letter G key at the same time, and then it will pop up the string of the game Xbox game bar, and that's you will have they have the round button here. That's where that is when you want to record, just hit that. It's just a start button. Now because I already hit the record to record. I'm using this recorder video right now. If I hit this again, it will stop the video. I stop recording. So that's and after you hit recording button, it's on the right hand side of usually it's on the top corner right hand side here. It should show you with the screen capture status as is recording right now. You see the red button, and they have the stop button here. And they have the microphone. Is right now is microphone on, so I can record my voice. If I don't want to record my voice, I hit record microphone off, and it won't record anything I say. And here you can adjust on the left hand side. They have the volume here. You can adjust as high or low, and the system sound too. And this should show the CPU right now on my computer right now. Oh, let's stop right here. And that's you want to change a voice. Click here to adjust here whatever you want. So that's it. Here, that's you want to capture the string. Just hit this button, or you can use the shortcut. Here they show you the shortcut key too. That's the window key, Alt key, and the print string. You have to press 3 all them together at the same time to record the string. No, to take the screenshot of the string. Worse. In here, I don't think yeah, there's a volume, and this is widgets menu, and it show right now it's 4:09 p.m. Xbox so we don't need enable click through performance. That's very much like after you hit stop recording, they will automatically save the videos at the in the captures folder, which is under videos folder in your computer. So that's very much the same. Let me go for you to see. Now it's a recording. Now, it's my channel. Let's see. It will show you string later, and I just okay. Here's my popular upload. How to message binge spread, relaxing, unbox review, and citizen naturalization test, frozen snack, and computer night skill, cooking, and the feature channels. Let's go to Okay, click on the YouTube. Let's see the recording started. Yeah. So okay, now let me jump to Yahoo. Let's see how they record. Let me go back. YouTube. My screen. No, that's. I think that's Let me Oh, let's try some video. So this is record well enough. How the sound. Let me pick some video. Yeah. How about this video? Okay. Then listen now. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.